Alright, so here's a background on the air pump delete kit video. I'll put a link to the main video. We're doing a engine and transmission removal because this transmission broke. Doing a little bit of a tune-up and everything, but in order to remove the air pump and delete everything with it, you have to remove the engine. So I guess you don't have to, but I think
you don't have to. It just makes it so much easier.
Yeah, 10 times easier. So we're going through everything you do for that. So tune in. It's here. Also, here's the air pump. Main piece here, another piece here. So we're gonna be deleting that. Interesting. I'm not sure really how this is all gonna go, but it's just gonna happen. So, but we're gonna disconnect this hose first just to get the engine out, because I'm pretty sure the line's going to the intake manifold. So, but yeah, we got to this point here. Recently encountered a problem. Downpipe. So you know what they say, right? Can't be stuck in this liquid. Should come out. Took 2 bolts out here for the air pump, and 1 bolt out here. Hold the mount in, and we took it off of this hose here. And it is, I mean, it's water. I can't imagine that's good. And yeah, so this is gonna be a really fun time here. Gonna follow this hose down here and see, oh, there's another solenoid for it too. 2 separate solenoids. So yeah, we're gonna be unbolting every piece of this. So I'm gonna put you up high so you can kind of see everything. It's kind of like a DIY because you have the block off plates and then you're just unbolting everything. So here's time lapse. All right, past few minutes here been kind of crazy. We almost exploded this engine, but that's okay. So you're gonna have a 12mm bolt right back here for the second air pump solenoid. It's gonna be a pain to get to, but it is very doable. Kind of zip tied this wiring up here a little bit while you did it. Next, we use with some type of tree loppers.
Yeah,
loppers to cut part of the routing to get to the bottom bolt because I couldn't reach the bottom bolt from where I was at. We're doing this without taking the intake manifold off.
It's easier if you do it with the intake manifold off, but also it makes it a lot more work. So it depends on how you want to do it.
And we're fine the way it is. So yeah, we use loppers to cut that. Then we both 10mm bolts on both sides. Got that off. Got the plate in here earlier. Super easy. I'll put the kit link in the description for you.
$20 on Alibaba.
$20 in Alibaba. That's where it's at. So, and now if you follow us all the way over here, right, that guy, we're gonna have to remove the up pipe, but that's okay. So we're gonna work on that now. We're gonna get this line out, and then we're gonna put the block off plate there, and then we'll be set for the air pump delete. Ashton's getting the valve cover gaskets on. What's after this, Ashton? Is that it?
Cylinder 4 cooling mod.
Oh yeah, cylinder 4 cooling mod, which is this guy right here. It's gonna tap into heater core line. So bottom one, I believe bottom one. I'll have to double check now before I post that. But yeah, getting stuff done. All right, so for the air pump delete, we have this little turbo looking thing. Wow. We're gonna be getting rid of this too because air pump, no need for air pump stuff.
Holy sh! Why you got 2 massive cables going to it? Well, let's get a 10 thing.
This guy's his own bushing down here, bro. Keep your bolts safe. One more in the bag.
Oh, I didn't see that.
You might be able to sell some of those for parts.
This is true.
Just thought. These two is one.
These we might actually want to keep.
This is true. That wasn't the one you wanted. It was the different one.
And it's still connected somewhere. All the way down there.
I was thinking it might be down. Bro, random thought. You have this huge space right here. You can probably just climb in and maybe just squeeze in between the engine bay.
You see that one at the bottom here?
Yeah. Let's see if I can get this connector off. That's the name.
Only other one I can find.
It's like its own little turbo, dude. What the heck?
What is going on here? What the heck is up with this, dude? This is ridiculous. Who needs emissions, dog?
California.
That's so dumb.
They can be their own state.
They can be
Their own country, sorry. Yeah, they're trying to leave. Probably sell that, dude. Well, I don't know if that's the broken part or not. Wow, look at all this free engine bay space, dude.
That's actually going to be really nice.
We'll have to see if we have to put a relay in there or something.
Resistor
Or resistor, yeah. Anyways, wow. I think that's it for tonight.
Yeah, actually.
And that's how you get rid of an air pump on a Hawkeye WRX. And probably a newer. This little guy says you suck for not buying an STI.
I know.
But yeah, we'll be shooting some more videos on how to put the engine back in, cylinder for cooling mod. We're gonna do time of water pump, not doing that. It's already done. And then other video, we inspected it. So we'll be dropping the engine back in after that. So, peace.